how do you respond to those who say you're making financial market stability an unofficial mandate to the Fed's decision making?
No, I wouldn't say that's what we're doing. First, I think financial stability has been part of the Fed's role. In fact, it really was our original role. Central banks generally evolved out of a desire to support the stability of the financial system. It's always been something that we've done. Our mandate from you is maximum employment and stable prices. That is the mandate. We also look after financial stability, and particularly as it supports the dual
financial stability, but not necessarily stock market stability.
No, by financial stability, we're really talking about the capacity of the financial system, particularly banks, but other aspects of the financial system to perform their role and intermediate between savers and borrowers and support economic activity.
So what do you say to those folks who claim there's now a Powell Put on the market or in the market?
Anything that matters for the dual mandate matters for us, and financial conditions, our tools work through financial conditions. So I would say that when there are major changes in broader financial conditions, as you point out, not any one market or set of markets, but when they're for a sustained period, important changes in broader financial conditions, that matters for the macroeconomy, it matters for achievement of the dual mandate, and we'll of course take that into account.